Pronoun. I and me. Hello, friends. Welcome back to Learning World. Today, we're going to learn about two important words. I and me. We use I when we are talking about ourselves doing something. We use me when someone else does something to us. We usually use the pronoun I before the action and me after the action. I hit the ball. He hit me. I am happy. I is the person who does the action. He gave the ball to me. Me is the person who receives the action. Examples. Let's look at some examples. I am going to the park. She helped me with my homework. I love reading books. Dad took me to the zoo. Practice time. Now it's your turn. I'll say a sentence and you choose the correct word. I or me am playing soccer. Answer. My teacher called. Answer. Me. Have a pet cat. Answer. I. Mom gave a cookie. Answer. Me. Great job, everyone. Now you know how to use I and me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun videos. See you next time.